Hey there, fitness champions. Ready to turbocharge your body transformation without stepping into a gym? Let's be real. We've all had those moments. Maybe it's a beach vacation, a wedding, or a reunion where you want to feel and look your absolute best. But the clock is ticking, and you've got just 4 weeks to make it happen. Don't sweat it. Well, actually do sweat it, but we've got your back. In this video, we're diving into 4 epic exercises that require zero equipment and deliver maximum impact. So clear some space, grab some water, and let's crush this together. Starting with a bang, we've got jump squats. These bad boys aren't just your average squat. They're a party for your legs and glutes with a bonus cardio punch. Here's the game plan. Squat down, then explode upwards like you're jumping for the stars, and land softly like a ninja. Keep your knees bent to absorb the impact. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Feel that burn? That's your future self thanking you. Next up, it's time to level up your core strength with plank to push-ups. Picture this as your all-in-one exercise, targeting your chest, shoulders, arms, and abs. Start in a plank on your forearms, then one arm at a time. Rise into a push-up position. Lower back down and repeat. If you wobble, no worries. It's part of the process. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps and you're on your way to superhero status. Now let's crank up the energy with high knees. This is where cardio meets fun. Yes, cardio can be fun. Jog in place, bringing your knees as high as you can, like you're sprinting for gold at the Olympics. Do this for 20 to 30 seconds, go as fast as you can, and repeat for 3 sets. By the end, your heart will be pumping, and your energy will be through the roof. And finally, let's sculpt those obliques with side plank dips. Get into a side plank position, elbow under your shoulder, body straight as an arrow, and dip your hip towards the ground before lifting it back up. Do 10 to 12 dips per side for 3 sets. You'll feel your core working overtime, and trust me, your abs will thank you later. There you have it, your 4 secret weapons for a 4-week transformation. But here's the deal, results only come with consistency. That means showing up for this workout at least 3 to 4 times a week, pairing it with healthy eating, and making sure you rest up to let your body recover and grow stronger. And hey, let's make this fun. Drop a comment below and tell us which exercise was your favorite, or which one totally kicked your butt. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another workout tip. Fitness is a journey and we're in this together. Ready to see what you're capable of? Let's do this.